Good morning, folks. This might be a bit tricky for you to look at, but you can see it's a bit dirty. This has all got stains here. You can't actually see it because of the material. This is all stain here from someone been sitting there and eating their dinner on there. I try to look after it. And the passenger side was even worse. Someone had spilt some drink on it. So I'll show you that. Okay, so this is the passenger side, and this had a huge stain. I mean, it's still a little bit damp. All around here, there was a massive stain. I think either Coke or something had been dropped. I don't know if you can tell. There's a stain. Look at that there. I'm just going to finish that off a little bit. So the difference between that and that, I don't know if you can tell that much. Anyway, but I did this last night, and I've got to dry it off, and I'm going to do the front here. So I did all that. And I thought I'd leave the front. See how you can see how dirty the front is? Can you see that actually? You can't, can you? Well, you can. Look there. See how bloody dirty it is compared to how clean that is. And I'm using this stuff. Got nothing to do with them. I don't know. It was the best I could come up with on Amazon. It said, yeah, it's got loads of good reviews. It's called Carplan Demon Fabric Super Upholstery Shampoo plus Stain Remover, and it works. It bloody works. I was quite surprised. You can do it on boats, caravans, whatever you want. Anyway, and what it tells you, as in the instructions, I might as well show you that. Let's get the camera sorted. Right, vacuum before use. Shake the bottle really well. Whilst wet, work the product in. So I'm using a little sponge. I'll show you that. So that's all I'm using, and I scrubbed it really well with it, and then I use the cloth, and I'll show you that after. I'm going to do the driver's side now. No, I won't. Tell you what I'll do. I will do the front part of this, and I'll come back. Oh, I'll come back to you in a sec. Okay, so it says shake well before use, and there's a lock on the front, so you turn that off. And that's it. It's just foam. And strip it a bit, and that's what you have to do. It says a brush or something like this. I mean, straight away it looks good. Try a little bit along the side here. Now you're going to have to let it dry, so some people say you're better off on a sunny day, but in the UK, more chance of leprosy. Anyway, so this is all I'm doing. Rub it in like this, and then you get a nice cloth, a damp cloth, and then you pull it out. Okay, and then this is a really, I washed this last night because when I did it, it was bloody filthy. So then you get one of these cloths. This is a microfiber cloth. Get it from anywhere, and then what you've got to do is really dry it off well. Really sort of give it a good, sorry about my arm, but I'm not joking, it looks really good. And then that looks bloody filthy. Look, compared to that, and that's what comes off. And I've already done this seat once. So there we go. If you look, see the stitching is even nice and white now. Let's go and try the driver's side. Okay, dirty and grimy. Believe me, it is. It's difficult to see from this angle, but you can see the stains. Look at the stains there. See them? Okay, so let's give this a treatment and see what it looks like. It's really bad at the front there. Probably where people have been eating chips. Whack it on. And this part along the side here, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I'll show you that afterwards. That was really grubby. This is what it says do. And then with your spongy onesie, give it some sticky wicky. Let's see if I can show you the cloth afterwards. You can see that it's lifting the dirt already. Right, I'll pause you there. Oh, I'm holding the steering wheel, probably rocked you a bit. Okay, clean cloth. You can see, yeah. I can actually see the dirt here. I mean, you've got to give it some stick. Look at that. Can you see that? That is disgusting. And what you do now is go down the house. I'll do that now. And I'll swill it out to come back up and do it again. Ooh. But the difference, it smells beautiful, to be honest with you. It does smell really nice. Right, let's get you from out of there. Look at that. Clean, clean, clean. Love it. And that's it. And this is the stuff, Amazon. If you're interested. Alright. If you enjoyed the vid, give it a thumbs up and a like. I'm out of breath. Take care. And we'll definitely catch you in the next one.